Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to work with the analysis section. The section might seem a little bit complicated, and that's why I'm here to help you. An analysis always starts with the keyword analysis section. This section is noteworthy because depending on the level of your app optimization, our system will automatically suggest up to 50 relevant keywords for your app. You can add them in one click. Besides, you can also add keywords manually by pressing here. Don't forget to separate keywords with a comma, and you can also pay attention to the keywords listed below. Once you've added the keywords, a parameter table will appear. In the table, you can sort the data by any parameter you need, such as search volume, ranking, and so on. You can also create custom keyword groups that will make it possible to combine keywords according to selected parameters. To create, tap plus, then click Create. Here you can add keywords manually and add those that have been already added in the tracked keywords section. Here you can see Keyword Statistics section. This section shows the ranking changes for 10 selected keywords. Remember that you can change the date anytime. Just tap on this button. This will make it possible to track the keyword dynamics for long periods of time. And here you can see keywords distribution that shows the total number of keywords we've found for your app, as well as the distribution itself. You can tap on this button to see how many keywords you've already added with the following ranking. Alright, let's proceed to search volume, as it is one of the key metrics of our platform. Search volume is a numerical score from 1 to 100 that shows keyword popularity. If you are quite early on your ASO journey, you may want to try low frequency and mid frequency keywords, since they are less competitive and they may give you more chances for indexing. Keywords with search volume above 60 are popular ones, and indexing by them will be much more difficult. You also can find the live search parameter in a table. It shows yesterday's search results for apps by a specific keyword. Here you can also change the date and see past results. Here you can see a total number of apps that use the keyword. If you click on this button, you will be able to see up to 150 apps that use this specific keyword. Available in ASO tab shows if a certain keyword is used in your title, subtitle, full description, and so on. And finally, Filter by Keyword shows the section from which a certain keyword were added.